Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today I will tell you how you can fix your phone if you have a iPhone X, iPhone XR, iPhone X Max, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 30 Pro, whatever you have a iPhone. If it's showing green screen, so why is showing green screen? It could be due to freezing, like if weather is too cold, if you drop in water, and third is reason if you drop in on floor, like screen is break. So two option can fix if your phone is freezing, like is too much cold and phone is freezing, and second is if is you drop in water, so you can fix it. Two option if you drop it and it's showing green screen, like, and you can see my video is running, so you can watch my video also. So it's my proof. I can show you how I fix my iPhone X and it's working. So how I fix it? So you need I'm using a heat gun because I have my shop. I'm working at cell phone shop and I fixing is my job. So I have a heat gun, we call heat gun. And if you have a hair dryer, like everybody have its home hair dryer, so just use a hair dryer. And if you have a heat gun, so use a little bit heat, not like so much. Like if you have a hair dryer, so you can use up to you just make warm your phone. So you can see here is my phone is showing green screen, and if I turn on my phone is showing green screen, and sometimes it's going white and sometimes it's going too flashy screen, like it's showing too much white. So what I did, then I heat up my phone, like I use my heat gun, and you can see here I am heating my phone back and front. Mostly you have to be first heat on front because the screen is not showing, so then you go on back side. So I'm using both side step by step. So let's see what is going on. So after a heat, like sometime is some phone is accept high brightness, some phone is going low brightness. Like this my iPhone X is accepting low brightness. If I put on high brightness, is going green screen again, and otherwise it's showing white screen. So what I will show you, you can see here it is showing now is working on normally, like its mean is fixed. So what I did, now I will show you, I going on brightness high, so you can see here it's going white screen and green screen again. So sometimes it's showing green and sometimes. So now I'm trying to on low brightness, but it's still on same. So what I did, then I use again heat gun. So I put on my heat gun and I use slow, like you have a hair dryer, so you can use a hair dryer. It's very easy, you can fix at home. So you can fix at home, it's very easy. Now let's see, now I'm using again heat gun. So backside both, few minutes wait and you can fix it. It's a live proof, I did myself. You can see it's still the same. So what you can see on bottom, so his phone is working backside. So I'm trying to where is have a brightness, so I'm going to brightness low. So when is brightness low, you can see is a come right. So when you go up and down, so it's come on. So when is brightness low, you press power button and turn on again, so it's going right. It's very easy, I did myself. So if you have any heat gun, you can do. If you have a hair dryer, so you can do at home. You don't need to send at shop, you can do at home. If this video help you must like this video and subscribe my channel. And you can see here it's working. If you want to see video, you can watch. It depend on you. You can see here I did brightness up. So some phone is accept brightness full. I'm telling you, some phone is accept full brightness, like if you have to be bright up. So otherwise if you want to keep brightness up, so you can if you keep it if you have a low brightness, so maybe is showing green screen. If you put on up, so maybe it's going right. So up to you, which one is accepting your phone. If you have an iPhone X, is I don't know, every iPhone X is going to be like that, but my iPhone X was doing like that. So I fix is working still perfect. I hope this video I hope this video help you, and if this video help you, must like and subscribe my channel. See you next video, and bye, take care.